Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. What's going on, Foodie Ohana? Welcome back to the channel, Vlogmas Day 3. We are here off of King Street trying out a new restaurant that's the hype of the town.
It's called Gohan. We're super excited. We're gonna put our names down and hopefully the wait won't be too long. It is in the Interstate building and it looks like it's right here, but the entrance I think is on the inside. Let's go put our names down.
Guys, we're at a new restaurant here in Hawaii. It's called Gohan. They specialize in making hand rolls and they make it right in front of you, so it's pretty awesome. If you can, try and snag a table front side. You can actually see them making it right in front of you. They do have specials every day.
That's a yuzu shichimi or yuzu flavor like chili pepper.
Of course, you always gotta get soup when you're eating rice because you need a palate cleanser, of course, and I just feel like it can get kind of dry if you're just eating rice all the time. So, of course, have to get their pork soup.
So that's actually a special like miso soup called tonjiru. It's more of like a heartier miso soup.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say this is pretty hearty. Well, like we mentioned, this is part of Vlogmas, so if you guys do want to see a full review, let us know in the comment section. I highly recommend this one. Right, our first two hand rolls that came out is the jalapeno hamachi and the spicy tuna roll. Oh man, this looks amazing. Fresh nori, premium rice topped with premium toppings. I guess Amanda wanted to try the spicy tuna, so I'll try the jalapeno hamachi. Pro tip, guys, you gotta eat this right away, otherwise the nori gets soggy. Oh, okay.
Grilled unagi and the kakuri.
Thank you so much.
This is a full unagi spice.
Oh, okay. They're turning these babies out quick. Itadakimasu.
I like the nori here.
You can taste the quality of the nori, the rice, pretty much all the ingredients. They definitely don't skip out here, guys. Toppings are so loaded, it just spills out of the other end. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. This is the kakuni. Which one you want, unagi or?
Unagi, please. The kind server was mentioning for the unagi to put this on. This is sancho peppers. Just sprinkle a little bit on.
They also, I saw, torch the top of this and this too. Cheers. Really flavorful. And then Thai cheese. A little salty, but I like the grilledness on the top. Ooh, that one's mine too.
Tonkatsu plate in a hand roll. The tonkatsu sauce, Kewpie. The lettuce is a weird addition. The tonkatsu or the pork cutlet here is very tender.
This is yuzu ikura. You can see the ikura coming out. The warm rice with the ikura. Good morning! Today I am finally making gingerbread cookies. It is something I've been doing since I was a kid. Every year, well, almost every year, and we like to do it every year for Vlogmas. It's kind of like a Vlogmas tradition, I guess. And yeah, today we're starting off with gingerbread. Felix is currently watching his fantasy football, so he won't be joining us. You can probably hear the announcers and the ads in the background, but don't let it distract you.
Playoffs.
Oh goodness, here he goes. But anyway, even though it's not technically morning, it's like almost noon, it's like 11. I'm waiting for the butter to soften, but while that's happening, I gathered all the ingredients. Yeah, butter was missing from that shot I had earlier. I'm going to assemble the dry ingredients first. So let's do that. By the way, guys, I'm doubling the recipe. Ginger went in my nose. Two and a half hours later, we did end up eating lunch, so it kind of went over the 2 hours, but that is a-okay. The cookie dough is nice and firm, and we're ready to cut out our gingerbread. And also, guys, while I make gingerbread men, I'm gonna watch Home Alone, a little Christmas movie. I feel like the only time I can watch Christmas movies is when I'm making cookies.
Both good, yeah.
Good morning, Foodie Ohana. It is the next day. Last night I was doing cookies till way past midnight. If you guys ever decorate cookies, you guys know how long it takes. I think I ended up doing cookies for like a 12-hour. It's like basically like a shift. But anyway, I decorated, I would say 90%. I'm just doing the last final touches and I can't wait to show you guys what I made. Some of my favorite cookies so far, I really like these white ones. These are really cute. Simple star. All of my ideas, basically, I get them off of Pinterest. I made it in like a blue as well and a darker blue as well. Yeah, my icing filling is not perfect, you guys, but I feel like for a novice, it's not too bad. Candy canes. This year I went with more icing decoration than sprinkles. Oh, these Christmas trees. Okay, so last year I went with a more intricate Christmas tree decoration, but this year I went with something more cartoonish, something really simple, just like this. To be honest, like halfway through the decorating, I was just getting so drained and so tired that I was just like, get it done. I also made snowflakes, but I personally didn't really like how they turned out too much, but that's what they look like. What you guys are all probably thinking, what about the gingerbread man? What about the snowman? Frosty the Snowman. So Frosty the Snowman is looking like this so far. Our gingerbread men are looking like this so far. So I just gotta draw on the eyes and the mouths. I have ones that I messed up on or that I particularly don't like too much. So I'm gonna practice on those first. They're in this container here. To be honest, they're not even that bad. I don't know. Sometimes I can be too overcritical. I guess this one's not that bad. These were my experiments on Frosty. This one actually has a scarf. This one has a scarf and part of a heart. Anyway, I'm gonna practice on these first. I tried the bow, didn't really like the bow, and then I tried this different head thing. I didn't really like that either. Yeah, I feel like it would look a lot better with a nose. It looks like Casper. Casper the Friendly Ghost. Oh goodness. Alright you guys. I guess I'm gonna be piping on some noses for Frosty. What do you guys think of that? That's kind of cute. I forgot if I showed you what the end of the snowman ended up looking like, but this is her with the nose. Anyway guys, I just realized that I literally wrapped all of them in here in goodie bags and all that for friends and family, and I forgot that I didn't show you guys. But thank you for making gingerbread with me. Time to do a gingerbread cookie taste test.
Because Amanda made these perfect gingerbread cookies. I'm not gonna lie, I did not help.
Yeah.
I helped a little bit, but decorating and everything, that was all her.
No, you literally all you did was open and close the oven.
It was football Sunday.
All right, well, choose your cookie.
Okay.
I already showed them the ones I liked.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, we kind of packed away a lot of the cookies, so these are the ones that we have. So Felix did end up giving like his coworkers and stuff, and I end up always giving my family. I get like a raving review for my gingerbread cookies every single year, so they're pretty good.
I can already smell the gingerbread.
Cheers.
Mmm.
So good.
Once a year, these hit the spot. Let us know down below. Are you team gingerbread or team pumpkin spice? I don't know. I'm not a big pumpkin spice person. For me, it'd have to be gingerbread.
Oh, and guys, this is my mug that I got in Scotland.
Since you're showing them the mug, quick story about that. I actually went early in the morning in the freezing cold in Scotland because we were leaving Scotland that very morning. So I woke up early, went by myself, went to the Starbucks a couple blocks away, but yeah, got that mug. And if you guys didn't know, we collect mugs from Starbucks wherever we travel.
But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's Vlogmas episode. Did we even show Lucy in this episode? Oh, she's already making her way.
Well, let's just be sure.
There she is.
She thinks
there she is.
You cannot eat gingerbread. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next Vlogmas episode. That Vlogmas episode will be coming out on a Monday instead of Friday. In place of a normal Monday video because
we are leaving on a family trip with Felix's sister and parents to his parents' home country of Vietnam. You guys already know that we will be filming our adventures when we're out in Vietnam, and we are stopping at a mystery country. You guys will see when that comes out. It's gonna be a surprise. All right, you guys, so we will see you for our final video of 2024 going out next Monday.
All right, until then, guys, see you guys later. Stay safe, happy holidays.
Bye.
Itadakimasu. Oh,
You
yeah.
showed them.
Oh, the camera's focusing on your face. This is the Shinso.
Sancho. I'm going to assembly. Blah, 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 blah. No. Get your paws off the table.
Because we are leaving on a trip.
Oh, yeah. Why are you looking? She's like looking at me like.